Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use the Exnova Trading App. In order to do so, here we are at exnova.com. But if you're looking for the app, you're going to want to go to Google Play, and it does not appear that it's available on iOS. So if you're interested in the Exnova mobile trading app, head over to the Google Play Store and you can download it there. Winner of multiple awards, start trading in 2 minutes, withdraw quickly with local methods, pro features for everyone, one click to access 350 plus assets. And again, that's on the Google Play Store. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the link in the link tree, you will get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.